Oh, hi. I'm Henry Borland, and today my group and I are going to talk to you about Types of Civilizations, a documentary starring Trip Phillips, Alex Toll, Jay Kyman, Mikey Walzon, and again, Henry Borland.
First, I came to talk to Trip Phillips, app developer and lover of all things alien. What do you know about alien civilization?
Well, for starters, there are three types. You have a Type 1 civilization, a Type 2 civilization, and a Type 3 civilization. A Type 1 civilization has the ability to control the weather. It has a colony on at least one other planetary object in their system, and they control about as much energy as their sun emits onto their planet in a given amount of time.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So, and then you have a Type 2 civilization. A Type 2 civilization would be like in Star Trek. How the way humans were in Star Trek. That's a Type 2 civilization. They've got colonies all over the. They've got several colonies on different star systems, and they can get around space pretty well. You agree? And that's a Type 2 civilization. And they also use the energy output of an entire star. So people speculate that we may find stars with giant megastructures all around them that are getting all the energy from their home star or whatever. And then you have a Type 3 civilization. A Type 3 civilization would be the Empire in Star Wars. They've got colonies all over the galaxy, thousands, even millions. They're huge, and they're probably about 1 million years more advanced than we are.
In 2016, what type of civilization are humans?
We're actually a Type 0.7, and you can expect humanity to reach Type 1 in about 100 years. That's why it is very critical over the next 100 years that we make the correct decisions, because becoming a Type 1 civilization is arguably one of the biggest steps in any type of alien civilization. Okay? By becoming a Type 1 civilization, it usually means that they've overcome many of their differences and have control over their technology in a way that is sustainable and that can be kept going forever and ever. And eventually, if we can get to a Type 1 civilization and become a Type 2 civilization, then we would become immortal as a species, because if one colony in one star system was destroyed by their sun going supernova or an asteroid hit it, then we'd have another colony in another star system to back us up.
That's it.
Hello, my name is Alex Toll, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the Drake equation and the Fermi paradox. Basically, what you're seeing right here is a Type 3 civilization. It has a Dyson sphere over the sun. They're capturing all the power that is in that strong nuclear reaction right there. And I'm assuming, just because they're able to do it here, they're able to do it throughout a galaxy. Unfortunately, however, we have not found any evidence of Type 3 civilizations in the nearby 93 different galaxies that were cataloged by a doctor from the Netherlands. We should see an interference pattern from nearby stars if there was a Type 3 civilization, but we're not. Which is interesting because the Drake equation, which I will write on this whiteboard right here, predicts that there should be at least 2 to 14 intelligent civilizations in our nearby galaxy. So, the equation goes as follows. The number of intelligent civilizations with which we should be able to communicate with in our nearby galaxy goes like this. So first we multiply by the number of stars in our galaxy. Then we multiply by the fraction of the number of stars with planets in our galaxy. Then we multiply by the number of stars with planets that could potentially support life. So we're going to put N star and then a little amoeba. Okay? That's our notation that we're going to use. Then we multiply that by the fraction of stars that will actually support life. So we'll put stars, and we're going to put an X through this amoeba because it's not for sure that they're going to develop. We're going to put a real amoeba right here. Then we multiply it by the average number of planets these star systems will have. So, planet average. Then we multiply it by the total lifetime of a civilization like the one that we're talking about that could develop alien technology. So, T average. Then finally, we multiply it by the average number of alien civilizations that eventually develop the technology, and this is the time period that those technologies exist on that planet. So we'll put a little weird man, and that's our notation for that. Also, I would like to implore you to get the Spotter app.
Well,
We thank you for watching our documentary on types of civilizations. We'll see you next time.